Hey campers, today I'm going to be adding a license plate holder and license plate light to my Can-Am Commander. This is the last step in making this side-by-side street legal. We're doing it in South Dakota. It also meets the requirements of Arizona, where we travel frequently. Be sure to check out my other videos in the same playlist on making this side-by-side street legal. First thing I'm going to do is remove the tailgate. Then I'm going to remove the door for the cargo box so that we can work on mounting the license plate to that door without having to crawl around in the dirt. Wires that come with this license plate light and holder are a little shorter than I like. I don't think they will reach to where I need to get power. So I've used these solder shrink type connectors, and then I will put the wires I have inside this wire loom, and then I'll run everything the way they need to run, cut to length, and connect to power. So what I've done is put a little masking tape on here so that I can see, since this is black. I've centered my license plate bracket on the tailgate. I've come up 3/4 of an inch from the bottom, which puts me in the center of this cutout in the back. And I will drill 2 mounting holes here, and I will drill a hole here to route the wire through. So what I've done is I routed through the top hole into this little track, routed across, drilled another hole here, and this is where this exits. From here it will go up the side and into this hole. So the key will be, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this door so that I can route and tie up the wires going into the taillight. So this is the taillight. It's the left taillight on my Can-Am Commander. These 2 wires are here. As it turns out, they are powered when the taillights are powered. So I'm going to cut these connectors off, use my solder and shrink tube type connectors to connect the red to the red and the black to the black. These are the wires coming from my license plate light. These are the wires that were in the harness. I cut off these connectors because I did not have matching connectors. I used my shrink sleeve solder terminals. So these are all waterproof, dustproof. Taped them up, zip tied, and that's it. Everything works. I don't have license plate light when the machine is off. I do have a license plate light when it's on and when the headlights are on. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.